Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by 1.9% compared to the previous day, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by 3.41% and the price of Binance Smart Chain, BNB, to USDT has increased by 0.26%.
Latest news.
Majority of Americans trust AI for digital payment account monitoring, but is it truly secure? The financial industry is continuing to develop AI-driven digital payment systems, but most consumers still do not trust the technology to spend money. A recent survey of 999 American adults found that nearly two-thirds trust AI to assist with financial planning, while others would use the technology to provide account balances or performance updates. However, only 41% of Americans are open to the idea of AI paying their bills. There are also risks associated with AI, particularly in terms of fraud, as it can be used to create spam emails and fake websites, increasing the risk of fraud for those who use AI to make payments. Bitcoin crosses $39,000 mark. Bitcoin, BTC, has soared past $39,000, according to Binance market price. As of 晚上11点16分 on December 2, 2023, it was trading at $39,439. Wall Street strategists predict SP500 performance in 2024. Wall Street strategy teams are making educated predictions on the direction of the SP500 in 2024. Initial forecasts focused on the potential rise of the index, but JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley have raised questions about its direction. The Federal Reserve's forecasts are currently the focus of attention, with potential rate cuts and inflation abating. Nick Colas from DataTrack warns that investors should focus on future returns rather than short-term market performance. Investor optimism grows as interest rate cuts expected in 2024. The SP500 index rose 8.9% in November, marking the BTH's strongest monthly performance since 2050. The Nasdaq 100 index also rose by 2.8% and recording its fifth best monthly result in a decade. Bond markets experienced a rally as yields dipped and metal commodities thrived due to a weakening dollar. The Personal Consumption Expenditure Price Index slowed from 3.4% to an annual 3% rate, meeting market expectations, further supporting the prospect of multiple rate cuts in the coming year. Financial markets experienced a significant upswing in November, with both stocks and bonds on the rise. The VIX index has reached its lowest point since before the pandemic, as equity markets are attempting to regain their 2023 highs. The Federal Reserve Chair, Jerome Powell, emphasized that it's premature to declare the Fed's efforts as sufficiently restrictive, indicating a readiness to adjust policies further if needed. Binance Market Update 2023年12月2日 Global cryptocurrency market cap has increased to 50,000,000,045 ET, up by 2.3% over the last day, according to CoinMarketCap data. Bitcoin has been trading between $38,219 and $38,990 over the past 24 hours. Most major cryptocurrencies are mixed, with market outperformers including ALCX, Vary, and GFT, up by 48%, 41%, and 19%, respectively. Top stories include Bitcoin's 20% surge, potential spot BTC ETF approval, and the hacked Hongmao incident on the KyberSwap platform. Whale sells 1.78 million Blur and buys 193,438 Link. A whale has sold 1.78 million Blur tokens at a price of $0.502 per token, totaling approximately $894,000, 4 hours ago. The same whale then spent $1.4 million to purchase 8,947 Link tokens at a price of $1.1 million per token, resulting in a total of 193,438 Link tokens, worth around $2.1 million, at an average price of $14.82 per token. Velodrome and Aerodrome domain names restored and secured after suspected attack. Velodrome and Aerodrome, the decentralized trading protocols, have announced that their domain names have been restored and secured at the top-level domain level. they will be moving to a new service provider. The decentralized front-ends, http://Velodrome.s.limo and http://Aero.s.limo, were not attacked and are still accessible. Users are advised to clear their cache before interacting with the websites. The protocols were previously suspected of being attacked again. Stock market correction expected as consumer weakness looms. Chris Harvey, an investment strategist at Wells Fargo, predicts a stock market correction as the year comes to an end. He believes that a near-tapped-out consumer and overly optimistic projections about interest rate cuts from the Federal Reserve indicate that now is not the time for investors to be chasing risk. The SP 500 has jumped 8.9% in November, representing its biggest monthly gain since 2050, and stocks continue to advance with major indexes advancing by about 0.5% on Friday. Harvey questions how a bull market could continue its run given that consumers are showing signs of weakening, equity valuations are high, and the Fed could leave interest rates higher for longer well into 2024. He recommends investors position their portfolio to be defensive heading into next year, allowing them to take advantage of any potential volatility spikes and stock market declines. Harvey has a 2024 SP 500 price target of 4,500, representing potential upside of less than 1% from current levels. Inactive margin protocol Fulcrum hacked, losing over 99 ETH. Fulcrum, a long inactive margin protocol, has been hacked, resulting in a loss of more than 99 ETH. The attack was detected by Ancilia, a network security company. The hacker sent a French message on-chain, which translates to steal the body, negotiate with the ghosts. The platform was launched in June 2019 and the developer, BZX, stopped updating the platform after 2020. Swell network to integrate Chainlink's CCIP for secure cross-chain interoperability. Swell network plans to integrate with Chainlink's CCIP to enable secure cross-chain interoperability between Arbitrum and Ethereum. The protocol will be upgraded from Layer 0's OFT standard, and both protocols will be used to simplify token transfer schemes. Additionally, Swell will utilize Chainlink's reserve proof to monitor the ETH reserves for SWTH. Shell Protocol announces internal minting of Shell token in December. DeFi platform Shell Protocol plans to internally minting its Shell token in mid-December, with a public release scheduled for mid-January 2024. The token will be tested and verified before a public release, with more details about the release to be revealed during a subsequent secret holiday crafting event. Decentralized trading protocols Velodrome and Aerodrome report suspected attacks. Decentralized trading protocols Velodrome and its fork Aerodrome, deployed on Base, have announced that their service providers are suspected of being attacked again. Users are advised not to interact with the front-end services. The nature and extent of the damage are not yet clear. As decentralized trading protocols, Velodrome and Aerodrome aim to provide secure and efficient trading services to users. This incident highlights the potential risks and vulnerabilities that can arise in the DeFi space. Summer.fi integrates with Spark Protocol to expand token trading pairs. Summer.fi has integrated Spark Protocol, allowing users to expand their token trading pairs and deposit and borrow with a single click. The platform also features Spark's stop-loss protection function and SDI yield loop strategy. In June, Oasis app was rebranded to Summer.fi, with the new name reflecting its core values of simplicity, dynamic, and friendly atmosphere. Summer.fi has also launched a new UX, new products, and added support for additional protocols.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.